Today at the ESEI guest speaker session, we talk about Nano-Influence Marketing, the importance of having a brands community, and the new generation of loyalty program. So we started by a presentation about the new way of advertising, the new way of influence marketing, and then we split the audience per group, and each group had to work with a brand, and they had to imagine a new generation of loyalty program based on the presentation I made at the beginning. So basically, how the brands can make their customers loyal, not only when they buy the product or the service, but also in between. The main thing about this event was to talk about the new way of making advertising, the new way of making a loyalty program, and the new way of working directly with the customers. Now the brand, they need to work specifically and make their strategy around the customers, and they can help them very well to increase the visibility of the brand, to also increase the sales by recommending the product or the service to their friends, to their family, and that's what we try to work on at Spitche about the nano-influence marketing, to say that everyone can be an influencer.